Welcome to the high security vault of the Diamond Factory. Within these walls, the journey of the world's most precious gemstones begins under the glow of sterile, cold light. Our journey starts with the reception of raw materials. These rough diamonds, looking like humble fragments of glass, are meticulously handled by experts wearing specialized protective gear for security. At first glance, these stones are unassuming. They are cloudy and rugged, hiding their potential brilliance beneath a rough exterior formed by intense pressure deep within the earth. Under the lens of an electronic microscope, we reveal the complex, natural architecture of the rough stone. Every edge and surface grain is mapped to understand its unique character. Every single stone is tracked with absolute precision. Laser scanners record data instantly, ensuring that each rough diamond is accounted for in our digital inventory from the very start. The sorting process is rigorous and highly organized. We verify the origin and weight of every piece, preparing the stones for the high-tech stages of analysis and planning. The gentle rustle of diamonds fills the room as they move into the next phase. This is phase 1, the critical intake and categorization of our raw, volcanic treasures. Inside this modern facility, technology and expertise converge. We maintain a sterile environment to ensure that nothing interferes with the delicate process of diamond manufacturing and engineering. Expert eyes are the first line of evaluation. By inspecting the internal structure of the rough stone, our technicians can anticipate the brilliance that lies deep within its core. We move into the future with phase 2. The rough stone enters a high-tech scanning chamber where a 360-degree blue laser begins to map its entire physical geometry. The laser light dances across the stone, capturing every microscopic detail. This data is essential for creating a perfect digital twin of the diamond in our computer systems. On the screen, a digital world emerges. Red markers highlight internal inclusions, allowing our planners to see deep inside the stone where the human eye cannot reach alone. Sophisticated algorithms help our technicians calculate the most valuable way to cut the stone. Every millimeter is debated to ensure we maximize both the beauty and the weight. We visualize the future. The software simulates how a round, brilliant, or oval shape will fit within the rough exterior, guiding the path for the upcoming laser cut. This is where science meets value. The planning stage is crucial, as a single wrong decision here could cost thousands of dollars in lost diamond material or clarity. Yellow lines indicate the definitive roadmap for our lasers. These virtual paths are calculated with microscopic accuracy to avoid any internal stress points or dangerous inclusions. Our laboratory operates with peak efficiency. A fleet of state-of-the-art machines works around the clock to translate the potential of nature into the precision of modern data. Human oversight remains essential. Technicians fine-tune the equipment to ensure the most accurate data capture, adapting the technology to the unique characteristics of every individual rough gemstone. We isolate every cloud and crystal trapped inside. By mapping these features, we can decide whether to cut around them or incorporate them into the final faceted design. With the plan finalized and the data locked, the stone is ready for its first physical transformation. We are now moving from the virtual world to reality. We enter the cutting zone, a high-stakes environment where light becomes a blade. Safety and precision are paramount as we begin phase 3, the laser cutting process. The rough stone is mounted with extreme care. It must be held perfectly still to ensure the laser follows the digital roadmap we created in the previous stage. A concentrated green laser strikes the surface. This intense beam of light is capable of slicing through the hardest material on Earth with surgical and absolute precision. The process is mesmerizing. Tiny sparks fly as the laser vaporizes a thin line through the diamond, slowly dividing the stone according to our optimized digital plan. Constant cooling is required. The energy required to cut a diamond generates significant heat, managed by sophisticated water systems that keep the machinery running at peak performance. The laser moves with robotic consistency. Unlike traditional methods, laser sawing minimizes the risk of the stone shattering and allows for much more complex and efficient cuts. Automation ensures efficiency and safety. Robotic arms handle the transition of stones between processes, reducing human contact and ensuring that every piece is tracked through the system. The cut surface initially appears dark and matte. This is the result of the laser's heat, but the structural foundation for a perfect gemstone has now been successfully laid. Quality control happens at every step. We verify that the laser has split the stone exactly as planned, maintaining the integrity of the high-value sections for further processing. The physical structure has been changed forever. With the rough stone now divided, we move closer to the stage where the diamond begins to take its shape. This industrial ballet of light and stone defines the modern diamond industry. It is a perfect marriage of high-energy physics and the pursuit of ultimate gemstone beauty. Phase 4 is where the diamond begins to look like a jewel. In the brooding stage, we use the diamond's own hardness to shape its outer circumference. Only a diamond can cut a diamond. By rotating two stones against each other, we create the friction necessary to grind away the rough edges and form a circle. A constant spray of water and diamond powder acts as both a coolant and an abrasive. This ensures a smooth rounding process while protecting the stones from heat damage. Slowly, the jagged corners disappear. The stone begins to take on a symmetrical, circular outline known as the girdle, which defines the final diameter of the brilliant diamond. Precision is measured in microns. Digital sensors monitor the roundness of the stone in real time, ensuring that the resulting shape is perfectly symmetrical from every single angle. A manual inspection follows the automated process. The technician looks for any microscopic cracks or irregularities that might have formed during the high-speed grinding of the stone. Micro adjustments are made with robotic precision. The mechanical arm can pivot with extreme accuracy, allowing us to shape different styles, from classic rounds to elegant ovals and hearts. The result is a perfectly round, frosted edge. This girdle will serve as the foundation for the facets that will eventually give the diamond its incredible fire. Consistency is the hallmark of quality. These stones are now uniform in shape, ready to undergo the most artistic and technical stage of the entire manufacturing process. The transition from rough to round is complete. We have carved a perfect silhouette, and now we must unlock the light that is trapped within this carbon structure. Efficiency meets artistry in every corner of our facility. With the stones rounded and ready, we prepare for the most critical phase, the creation of the facets. We enter phase 5, the soul of the process. A master polisher takes over, using a specialized tool called a tang to hold the stone for faceting. The scaphe is the heart of the workshop. This high-speed spinning disc, coated with diamond dust, is the only surface capable of polishing the facets of a diamond. With a steady hand, the craftsman applies the diamond to the wheel. This requires immense focus and years of experience to achieve the perfect angle for every facet. The first facet is born. As the rough surface is ground away, a mirror-like finish begins to appear, allowing light to enter the stone for the first time. Constant checking is mandatory. The polisher uses a magnifying loupe to ensure the facet is perfectly flat and positioned at the exact mathematical angle required for brilliance. Facet by facet, the crown of the diamond takes shape. These top surfaces are designed to act like windows, inviting light into the heart of the gemstone. The diamond begins to come alive. With each new facet, the stone's ability to reflect and refract light increases, creating the characteristic sparkle that makes diamonds famous. Now we focus on the pavilion. The bottom facets are the engine of the diamond, responsible for reflecting light back up through the top to the viewer's eye. The culate, the tiny point at the bottom, must be perfectly centered. The symmetry of the pavilion determines whether the diamond will have a dark center or a bright one. This is a craft passed down through generations. Despite the high-tech machinery, the final quality of a diamond often depends on the touch and intuition of the master polisher. The friction is intense. The heat generated during polishing is significant, but the diamond's incredible thermal conductivity helps it withstand the process as it transforms into a masterpiece. 57 facets are now complete. This is the classic brilliant cut, a mathematical masterpiece designed to maximize the dispersion of light into the colors of the rainbow. We verify the geometry. Every angle is measured to the third decimal point to ensure the diamond meets the highest standards for excellent or ideal cut grades. The transformation is breathtaking. What was once a piece of cloudy rock is now a beacon of light, ready for its final quality check and official certification. Our facility blends the scale of industrial production with the precision of fine art. Every diamond produced here is a result of this intense and dedicated process. Phase 6 is about certification and purity. We begin by cleaning the diamonds in an ultrasonic bath to remove any traces of polishing oil or diamond dust. High-frequency sound waves ensure that every facet is perfectly clean. For an accurate grading, the stone must be absolutely free of any surface contaminants or debris. We use filtered air to dry the stones. This prevents any water spots from forming, ensuring that the grader sees only the true internal clarity of the diamond. Security meets transparency. A microscopic laser etches a unique serial number onto the diamond's edge, a mark of authenticity that is invisible to the naked eye. This number links the diamond to its official grading report. It provides peace of mind to the consumer, guaranteeing that the stone's quality is exactly as described. Color grading is a precise science. We use standardized lighting and master stones to determine if the diamond is perfectly colorless or has subtle hints of yellow. Technology assists our experts. Automated clarity grading systems use advanced imaging to map every internal characteristic, ensuring a consistent and objective evaluation for every single stone. We capture the heart of the diamond. Perfect symmetry is revealed through hearts and arrows patterns, proving that the facets were cut with exceptional precision and alignment. The results are documented. This certificate is the diamond's birth certificate, detailing its 4 C's: carat, cut, color, and clarity for the world to see. Weight is the final measure. Our scales are sensitive enough to detect even a single grain of dust, ensuring the carat weight is recorded with absolute and total honesty. The grading lab is a sanctuary of objectivity. It is here that the true value of the diamond is officially recognized and recorded for the global market. The final masterpiece is revealed. On a bed of velvet, the diamond stands as a testament to the incredible journey from a rough stone to a radiant jewel. Observe the fire and brilliance. This incredible light performance is the result of hundreds of hours of labor, high-tech planning, and the skill of master craftsmen. It is a symbol of perfection. The sharp edges and clear facets represent the highest standard of human achievement in the world of luxury and gemstone manufacturing. Every masterpiece deserves a fitting home. The diamond is packaged in luxury, ready to be sent to a client who will treasure it for a lifetime and beyond. Our process ends as it began, with security. A holographic seal ensures that the diamond remains protected until it reaches the hands of its final and lucky owner. From a rough rock to a brilliant treasure, the journey of a diamond is a perfect intersection of ancient nature, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled human artistry. As the lights dim in the facility, the the diamonds continue to shine. This concludes our look at the incredible world of modern diamond manufacturing and craftsmanship.